Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel Library Management System project tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial, we are going to build a library management system using Laravel. So if you want to learn Laravel, or if you want to create a project using Laravel, or if you want to create a project for your university, then this is the best tutorial for you to learn or to create a project. So first of all, let's just go through what we are going to learn and what we are going to make in this tutorial series. So here you can see this is a library management system template, and if you go down, here you can see some categories for book option, and those will come from the database table. Then we'll also show the book details and everything from the database as well. And the user will be able to see the book details. Here you can see user will be able to see the book details, and we have a option over here that request to borrow the book from the library. Then user will also have a option over here called user profile, where user will be able to see his or her number of book he borrowed or returned. And also from here, user will be able to send a message to the admin. So right now, let's talk about what will the admin will be able to do in this project. So admin will be able to see number of user, number of book, number of return book, and number of borrowed book over here. Then admin will be able to add any books, update or delete any books. And if any user request for a book from here, admin will be able to see those, and admin will decide whether he will approve the request or not. And also admin will be able to see all the user details, that how many book a certain user borrowed or returned. So those are the things that we are going to do in this project. So right now, let's go and create our Laravel project. And in order to create a Laravel project, first of all, you need to have Node.js installed. And when you are installing Node.js, just install the most recommended, which is this one. And after installing Node.js, you need to have Composer installed in your device. And after that, the last thing you need to install in your device is XAMPP. And once you have those three installed, it means you are ready to create your Laravel project. And if you do not have those three installed in your device, then I'll give a link in the description where I showed you how you can install those three. Check it out. So I'll just assume that you already have those three installed, which is Node.js, Composer, and XAMPP. So right now, let's go and create a Laravel project. So first of all, we'll just go to the Laravel documentation page. We'll go to laravel.com, and right now, if we just go down, here you can see command composer create project Laravel/Laravel example app. So we're going to copy this command, and using this command, we can create our Laravel project. So let's go back to our folder. We'll create a project. Let's say over here. So let's just say here, CMD, press enter, and let me just zoom in, and we paste our command. And here you can see example app. This will be the project name. So instead of this, let's say here library project, library underscore project. So composer create project Laravel/Laravel, those are required for creating the project, and this will be the project name. Okay, so right now if we press enter, it will create a Laravel project for us. So it may take like 2 to 3 minutes to create our project. So right now, I'll just fast forward the video. And then you can see our project creation is complete. So we can just close this right now. And here you can see we have a folder over here called library underscore project. And if we go inside, there you can see this is the file structure of a Laravel project. So in order to run this Laravel project, we need to write over here CMD and press enter. So what this will do is that it will open a command prompt in the project directory. So here you can see we are currently in the project directory. So in order to run our Laravel project, we need to run this command, which is php artisan sir and press enter. So this command will run our project. So here you can see something. So we'll just copy this, and if you go to our browser, then paste it here, then press enter. There you can see this is the freshly created Laravel project. So right now, let's connect our Laravel project with a database. So for it, what you need to do is that you need to open your XAMPP, and then you need to start Apache and MySQL. So after that, what we will do is we will go to our XAMPP. So I'll go to XAMPP, then phpMyAdmin. And from here, you can see the new option. So I'll click on new. And here we need to give a database name. Let's say our database name will be library, and then we'll click create. And there you can see a database called library is created over here. So right now, in order to connect this database with our Laravel project, all we need to do is that, okay, let me just open our project using Sublime Text. We'll click open folder, and our project was in new volume D, and project name was library_project. So I'll select it, and then there you can see. So right now we just directly need to go to .env file, which is this one. You can see .env, and here you can see by default the database name is Laravel. So we will change this database name from Laravel to this one, which is library. So I'll just copy this from here, Ctrl+C, and we will paste it over here. Ctrl+V and Ctrl+S. And once you do this, it means your Laravel project is already connected with our database. So this is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will create login and registration for user and admin. So thank you very much for watching. You will see the project playlist on the screen. By clicking on the playlist, you'll be able to see all the video of this tutorial series. So make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.